Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the MetaMask application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your Android device, and after opening it up, tap on the search button and then type in MetaMask and start your search. Once you find the MetaMask wallet application, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the MetaMask wallet application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button which you can tap on in order to open up the app. And once the application is opened up, you can tap on Get Started in order to proceed with signing up to create your new account or log in to your existing one to start using the application on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the MetaMask wallet app on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.